This is a quick little video to show you how to replace the Portafilter gasket in a Breville machine. Most Breville machines, the process is the same. Yeah, this is the old gasket that's coming out, and as you see over time, it's kind of worn out. So you get leakage around the portafilter screen. Sorry, you get leakage around the portafilter, and this is a new gasket coming in. They're cheap; they're about $6-7 a piece, and you can get kind of two of them usually. And it's made out of silicone, so it lasts a long time. This one's probably 5 or 6 years old, and all you're going to need to do this is Phillips screwdriver and something that you can pry up on the portafilter screen. You'll see that later. Okay, you got it turned upside down on a piece of cloth just to not scratch things up. There is a Phillips screw in the middle here, and you want to make sure, sometimes it's full of coffee grounds, so you might have to dig that out so the screwdriver can get a good kind of bite on it, and then turn it off. And then you got to pry out the screen, portafilter screen. Just use a screwdriver. Just work away at it, not tons of force. It'll come up. You might have to go from side to side. And out it comes. It's nice and clean because I just cleaned it. This is the old portafilter gasket, obviously falling apart. Portafilter screen gets all gummed up with coffee grounds. And yeah, you can buy specialty cleaning stuff to get that off. Way to do it real cheap and easy is if you got any drain cleaner, sodium hydroxide, throw it in there, and that'll clean it up like magic. You'll see online people say, oh, that damages the metal, and that it does not damage the metal. Or if it does, the amount of time you got to do it, number of times you got to do it, you're going to be 1,000 years old before it actually damages the metal. Two sides to this portafilter gasket. One has quite a big lip that comes out, and the other has much more of a fine lip. You can actually see it better on the used gasket. It's this one with the fine lip that you want to actually insert the portafilter filter screen in. It's like that. You can't insert it on this side, it'll only fit on one side, and then put it in. If you put the rubber or the silicone portafilter gasket in here first, and then this put down on it, you may not get it in, and it might kind of crush part of the little lip that goes around. So you want to insert it beforehand, and then just down, screw in, and done. Easy. Good for another couple of years. Typically all these are silicone based now, all the gaskets, and they last a long time and stay, nice and soft. This one's probably 5 or 6 years old, and look, it's still soft. The old rubber ones that you got on older espresso machines, they got really hard and crumbled. Anyways, thanks for watching, and hope this helped you out.